Hey Divi Nation, welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away 2 free Divi layout packs from our design team to you. And for the first layout pack this week, we have for you a brand new digital product layout pack. This new digital product layout pack will knock your digital socks off. In addition to having everything you need to showcase your awesome product, the pack also has a documentation page that will definitely come in handy. The color scheme and design fits the tech industry perfectly, and the custom graphics are amazing assets as well. So go ahead and check it out. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new digital product layout pack on your own website. Now, before you can access pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder, you'll first need to authenticate your Elegant Themes membership. To do that, you'll need to go over to Divi, Theme Options, and then click the Updates tab. There you'll enter your username and API key and click Save Changes. Now you'll have access to all of those pre-made layouts from your Divi library. Next, you'll want to start the process of adding these layouts to your pages. So first, you'll need to go and create a new page by going to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and give your page a title and deploy the Visual Builder. Make sure and choose the option, choose a pre-made layout. And then from the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll down and click on the Digital Product Layout Pack. There you'll see a preview of all of the pages included in the pack here on the right. Go ahead and select the one that you want and then click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. Then you'll want to continue this process to create all of your pages with their corresponding new layouts. After that, you're ready to create a primary menu for your website. To do that, you'll go back to your WordPress dashboard. Then go over to Appearance, Menus, give your menu a name, and then click Create Menu. Over here on the left, you'll want to select all of the pages that you created, and then add them to your menu. There you can organize your menu structure however you like, and then don't forget to set your display location to Primary Menu, and then click Save Menu. And for one last step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading, and then under your home page displays, select a static page. And then for your home page, go ahead and find the home page that you created with the corresponding layout, and then click Save Changes. Now your website is up and running with the new digital product layout pack. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love this new layout pack. And don't forget to check out our Cyber Monday sale, which is still going on. It is 25% off Elegant Themes memberships, and it is the largest discount we offer all year long. So check the video description below for a link to get that sale. Also, you'll want to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you can get a notification every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.